Hi, so this is just the quick overview of how to interact with this Google Sheet file that's on the classroom. So you'll actually be interacting with this on two separate occasions because you're going to do research based on two different life situations, just so you can kind of get a comparison between those situations. So there's this random dat here that I'll have a later video of how to interact with. There's some salary information here, that there's going to be a video on how to generate that number. Cost of raising a kid, same thing. There'll be a later video explaining that. And then this taxes website, there's going to be a later video to explain each of those pieces. This cost of owning a pet, you're just going to be kind of Googling on your own. So there isn't really a video that goes with that. But as you're interacting with this file, know that the only thing that you have to do is type into the yellow boxes here that are color coded. Everything else is going to auto generate. So, as a first example, I'm just going to kind of go through a first situation. The first time you research this, we're going to say no, that you are not going to have a spouse. And then these three yellow boxes we can just leave blank um, because you won't need them. I'm just going to make up a salary number. You're going to do some specific numbers based on your preferred salary here that later video is going to elaborate on. I'm just going to make up a number here. So that's what I'm doing. Um, I'm going to pretend again. There's a later video to talk about researching and how much it's going to cost to raise a kid. And so I'm just going to type in a random number here, and I'm going to pretend that I'm going to have one. Let's say I've researched this already, and so I'm going to put in how much I think owning a pet is going to cost me every year, and I'm just going to say one pet. And again, I'm going to make up this number. All of these numbers you will be doing research on to find um, specific to your plan and your situation. If you happen to make a mistake and type the wrong thing, it's not a big deal. You can just hit delete and it clears it back out. And you can just kind of retype whatever number you mean to have there if you have that typo. Because this first situation, I am not married, I'm going to just select single. And because I said a kid here, I'm just going to make this make sense. There's a little bit more detail in the later video here, so I'm just going to type one. Notice that out here in this orange box and these purple boxes, there's some auto formulas that will auto calculate your specific situation based on the research numbers that you've already typed in here in the yellow. So if your career happened to mean you were making a little bit more money or a lot, you can kind of see that those numbers have now changed based on that research that you typed in. All right, that's pretty much it. Hope you find that helpful. Thanks.